Hi, welcome to Contractor Confidential. I'm Mike Naclerio. We are here today in Congers, New York at the Ferranti residence. These folks are looking to rip up their entire concrete patio and put in brick pavers. In some cases, you don't have to rip up the entire concrete. You go right over them. Let me show you why. So here we are, solid concrete, no pitting, no flaking, no cracking. Basically, we're ready to put the brick pavers right on top. You'll notice here is a PVC expansion joint. We decided to keep that in because we don't want to damage the concrete. There was also a little bead of concrete here that was created by an edging tool. We shaved this down in order to make the area smooth. Another very important factor when putting a patio in is drainage. We just had 6 inches of rain here in Rockland County. For the most part, this yard is dry. What does this mean? The patio is going to drain properly, no settling, and no cracking. So the bordered paver has been laid already. We now went ahead and started laying the inside paver. You'll also notice the inside paver is on a 45-degree angle. This is going to give it a little more depth and a little more pizzazz. It also is going to make it a little more expensive. Why? More material and more labor. But folks, the end result is terrific.